Yeah, good morning, children. Okay, it is now I'm taking the revision for you for the FMR. So, what is geologist? Have you learned what is meant by geologist? What is the answer for that? Geologist? Okay, geologist, what they do? They will examine the what they study about. They study about the distribution of fossils. They study about the distribution of fossils and also the minerals which is present in our earth. Okay, they study about the distribution of fossils and what are the minerals present in our crust. They examine that. They are known as the geologist. And second question is the first section. What is a it is a geologist who explains or who studies about the distribution of fossils and also the where the minerals are present in our earth crust. They are known as geologists. Okay, draw a bone cell. You have in the second lesson it is there. How to draw the bone cell? You have to draw this. Okay, you have to draw that. Okay, draw neatly. Like this you have to draw. Okay. You have to draw neatly. This. Just I'm showing you. Okay. You draw and by the bone cell. Bone cell you have to draw. Okay. It is the okay. You have draw neatly and write the names of stain which is used in the cells. What we are using the stains here? What are the stains we are using here? That is saffronin. Saffronin we are using, and also the what we are using the other stain. Can you tell me? Can you tell me this? What are stain we are using? Methylene blue. We are using the methylene blue. We are using. Okay, these are the two stains we are using in the cells. Okay, this is the first section. Now second section, what is science? In the first lesson, science is a experimentation. Okay, it is there in the first lesson. Yes or no? Science is an organized study of knowledge which is based on the experimentation. Science is a tool for the researching tools of nature. Science is a way of exploring the world. So you have to write the answer. Okay. So you have to write distinguish between the unicellular and the multicellular organism. You have to make the table and you have to write about the unicellular and just 3 points is enough. Okay. So what it is, we have to write the unicellular organism here, unicellular organism and the multicellular organism you have to write. So what is that? The single cell organisms are known as unicellular organism. Okay, and the more than one cell is more than one cell. This type of organisms are known as multicellular organism. Okay, so they perform all the basic function, performs all the basic function with only with one cell. With one cell they perform all the activities like the respiration. Okay, you can write respiration, feeding, growth. All this they are performed with the one cell. Okay, and the example you can write. You can write the example here. What do you write? Amoeba. You can write amoeba, euglena, paramecia. All this comes under the unicellular organism. In the multicellular, what do you write here? We write the multicellular organism. The organism which contain more than one cell is known as multicellular organism. They perform all the basic function. They perform all the basic function with their varieties of cell or different types of cell, like excretion, respiration, everything. They have the different cells. And okay, example you can write many others. You can write mammals or you can can write elephant, or you can write human beings. All this comes under this multicellular organism. You have to draw the diagram of amoeba. Okay, it is there in the textbook. Okay, in the page numbers in the second lesson, it is there. Yeah, you have to draw the diagram here. You have to draw the diagram. See here, amoeba. You have to draw the diagram amoeba, and you have to label this parts. Contractile vacuole, pseudopodia, nucleus. Okay, you have to draw this diagram neatly. It is the second section. Okay. Now in the third section, you have the long answer. Write the safety measure to be followed in the science lab. So I given in the first lesson, that is what are the measures to be taken. Okay, when you do the science in the science lab, what are the measures we have to follow. So what we have to follow always. Okay, we should know all the. Okay, in the third section, you have the long answer. It is a long answer for you. You have to write the safety measures about at least 5 points is enough, not more than that. 5 points is enough. So keep your work area clean. Okay, and if you have the long hair, pull it back and tie it. And what we should not spill or break any material. If it is cut or anything, you have to inform to the teacher. And also never eat or drink in the lab, science lab. And when one more is always keep up when you have finished. Okay, whatever the material we are using, the instruments or the tools, we have to keep it in a right place. Okay, if you write this 5 or 6 points is enough. Okay, for the long answer. And after that, you have the objective. Who discovered the cell? Okay, and the size of the organism depends upon. The size of the organism depends upon number or the size of the shape. Number. Okay, example for the unicellular organism, you can write the Chlamydomonas man. Okay, what is given in the multiple choice, you have to write. Like this, you have to the dash observe the rate of one chemical reaction at a different temperature. So who will check this? Climatologist or the chemist or the geologist. You have to write the answer here. The jelly-like substance present between the nucleus and the cell membrane is called cell wall or cell organelles or cytoplasm. You have to write that. Okay. In the fourth bit, you have the objective type question, that is choose the correct answer. Okay, so only you have to write the answer neatly and send it. Okay, learn well. Thank you, children.